millisecond ahead. Stiffened suspension, engineer carbon ceramic brakes, design lightweight forged wheels to lower unsprung weight and improve steering response at turn-in. Leap again. Integrate GT3-inspired aerodynamics, carbon fiber hood, front and side splitters, rear diffuser, and wing to increase downforce and decrease drag. Another leap. Develop bespoke Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires to maximize grip. Then leap, leap, leap. Add enough milliseconds together, and every corner you conquer, you'll leap even further ahead. The 2020 RCF and RCF Track Edition. Experience the next leap forward in F performance.
Ladies and gentlemen, Group Vice President and General Manager, Lexus Division, Dave Christ.
What a car! Good afternoon, everyone, and it's great to be with you today. 30 years ago, almost to the day, we came to Detroit to tell the world about the creation of Lexus. For example, the Track Edition involves standard carbon ceramic brake rotors, a feature typically only found on exotic supercars. This RCF also inspires confidence with the grip of Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, mounted on lightweight 19-inch BBS wheels. Developed in collaboration with Michelin, the tires were designed specifically for the RCF. Weight savings were achieved through the strategic use of carbon fiber body panels, along with a standard titanium exhaust system, a feature you will rarely find in its class, or any class for that matter. Significant changes were also made to this car's aerodynamics. Up front, the air dam reduces lift to improve front-end grip and overall steering feel. In the back, a fixed rear wing made of carbon fiber smooths out the air over the back of the car to reduce drag while still adding downforce. There are plenty of improvements that you can't see as well. All RCF Track Editions get stiffer bushings for the steering rack and engine mounts, along with a shorter final drive ratio and electronic launch control. The 5-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine has increased power output, giving it the best power to weight ratio in its class, which delivers 0 to 60 performance in less than 4 seconds. Precisely engineered upgrades, all designed to elevate the performance of the new RCF to levels that true enthusiasts will appreciate. The Track Edition is designed for the purist, but rest assured, its track DNA trickles down into all 2020 RCF models, as they too adopt launch control, aerodynamic enhancements, and revised suspension tuning. Our engineers continually test at Fuji Speedway, the home of F performance. The new 2020 RCF Track Edition, along with the significantly refreshed 2020 RCF, coming to Lexus dealerships in April. Let's discuss our other premium coupe, the LC. Its performance, along with its striking design and craftsmanship, have made the LC one of the most sought-after vehicles we have ever produced. We would like to show you one possible direction for the LC. Take a look.
Imagine the LC in its most breathtaking form. Experience amazing.
Pleased to introduce the Lexus LC convertible concept. Like the LC coupe before it, this concept symbolizes the future direction of our brand. Performance is amplified with 22-inch forged alloy wheels, and the unmistakable sound of the engine leaves no doubt this LC was designed to fully engage all of your senses. The LC convertible concept was also designed to deliver a relaxing cabin environment for the driver and the passenger, allowing effortless conversations and a precisely controlled climate. Everything that makes the interior of the LC coupe so unique is also carried over into this concept. From the world-class craftsmanship to the look and feel of the materials, this is a convertible that caters to its guests like a personal concierge. We are honored to have three key Lexus global leaders here with us today. First, let me introduce Executive Vice President of Lexus International, Koji Sato. The Chief Designer of the LC and RCF, Tadao More. As well as Chief Engineer of the RCF, Yuichi Sorimoto. Thank you all for joining us, and thank you for these amazing products. So there you have it, a production car that continues the story of F performance and a concept that sits at the pinnacle of design and desirability.